got 2 tablespoons, which is 1/8 of a cup in the bowl, and I'll use 2 more tablespoons to bring it up to 1/4 of a cup after I put in some more ingredients. 1/4 of a cup is 1 green. And I'm browning my ground turkey here. The only kind I could get was 85% lean, so that means I can only have 5 ounces of it. Microwave these for 6 minutes, and I'm going to drain the water out. So I tell you right now, this does not make a whole lot, and it was, I don't know, it was over $3 for sure. I can't remember the price. It would be much more economical if I get one of those vegetable spiralizers and just cut them myself in the future. Okay, so I put a little bit of ground beef in here, and now I'm going to take some of the zucchini. By the way, that whole package, once I squished the water out, made less than a cup, but it's okay. Live and learn. I will get one of those spiralizers. Sorry, my dog is providing background commentary here because she wants to eat. Okay, so I put in some zucchini. Now I've mixed 1 egg and 1/8 of a cup of cottage cheese, and I put about half of that here on the zucchini. Now I'm going to, let's see, I guess I'll put some more beef. Really doesn't matter what order you put these things in. And I'll put some more zucchini. Hush, puppy. I'm going to save the cheese that will melt for the very top. Okay, there's some more zucchini, and here's the rest of the egg and cottage cheese. By the way, the math of this is I didn't choose very good combinations, but as far as doing the math, but I used 2.5 ounces, which is half of my lean for the turkey, okay? So that left half of another lean, but I was using 2 more leans. So obviously cannot divide an egg up, so 1 egg. You can have 3 eggs, so that's 1/3 of a lean. So a half plus 1/3 is 3/6 plus 2/6 is 5/6. So that leaves 1/6 of some other lean, and my other lean was the cottage cheese. You can have 12 ounces volume of cottage cheese, so 1/6 of that is 2 ounces, which is 1/8 of a cup, which is what I have in here. For those of you who are the mathematicians or the big cooks, you can follow that. Good luck. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and dump in the rest of the zucchini and give it a little spread around. And I'm going to have my last 2 tablespoons of Rao's pizza sauce to spread over the top. And now I'm going to put it in about 350-degree oven until everything sets, because that egg needs to set, you know, to hold everything together, so it'll be kind of like lasagna. I think I may cover it with I'm going to cover it with a plate just to keep the moistness in it, and we'll see how it comes out. Things are baking along in there, and I'm going to wait until it gets a little bubbly, and you know, like you would with regular lasagna, there's the plate on top. Okay, it's been about, golly, it's been about 25 minutes almost, or 20 minutes. Kind of a long time, but it's an adventure, an experiment in cooking here for somebody who is normally kind of lazy.
but I thought I'd try something
Okay,
new.
so while we're waiting, let me explain how I figured everything out. This is my little wipe-off board that I keep on my fridge, and it's got all the times that I ate fuelings or meals or snacks, things like that, because I just, I ate maybe 2 hours ago, and already after 2 hours I can't remember how long it's been. So I write it down. Okay, but here we go. So the ingredients I used: 1 egg, which is 1/3 of a lean, 2.5 ounces of turkey, which is 1/2 of a lean, and 2 ounces of cottage cheese, which is 1/6 of a lean. Converted all these fractions, like you learned in the 4th grade, to sixths. 2 plus 3 plus 1/6 is 6/6, and that's 1 lean, right? 6/6 is 1. Then 1/4 cup of sauce is 1 green. So 1/2 cup of zucchini is a green. I use 2 half cups, or 1 whole cup, 2 greens. 1 green plus 2 greens, 3 greens. Follow that? Okay, so after maybe 25 minutes, things are bubbling a little bit. It's looking pretty good. Let's see, are things pretty much set? Yeah, okay. Gonna take it out and do the last step. Alrighty, so the last step is, and I hope I'm correct about this, but I was told that if I use 1 slice of this ultra thin, 40 calories a slice, provolone, which has 3 grams of fat and maybe 1/3 of a gram of carbs, that's okay. So if I can get a piece separated here, it's very thin. Definitely easier to separate when it is cold. And get every last little bit I'm entitled to. And I've laid that on the top. And in just a few minutes, I'm going to give it a little, the cheese will melt, of course. And I will, where is it? There it is. Give it a chance to cool a little bit, and we'll see how it did. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm ready to eat. I had to do quite a bit of winding around of the zucchini on the fork. Hope it's good.